Welcome to our DIY tutorial on how to change your car's motor oil and filter. Regular oil changes are essential for keeping your engine healthy and running smoothly. You'll need fresh motor oil, a new oil filter, a wrench, an oil drain pan, and a funnel. The oil filter is usually located under the housing. It can be opened using a standard socket wrench. Ensure you have everything, including the knowledge of the location of the oil filter and how to open it, ready before you start. Park your car on a level surface and let the engine cool. It's important to note that some modern cars lack a dipstick for checking the oil level, so you'll need to use the onboard computer instead. Once you've checked your oil level, proceed by raising your car using a jack. Secure it on jack stands if the oil filter is located on the bottom. Before you start, it's crucial to know the correct type and quantity of oil needed for your car. This information can be found in the owner's manual or at the auto parts store. Armed with this knowledge, proceed to locate the oil drain plug under your car and position the drain pan underneath. Then, with the right wrench, gently loosen the plug. Once it's open, wait patiently until no more oil is coming out. Then, retighten the plug, ensuring to replace the plug seal. Remember, using the proper oil is key to maintaining your car's engine health. Locate the oil filter, which may typically be found on the top or bottom of the engine. In some cases, the oil filter might be hidden under a protective housing. To access it, you'll need to unscrew the housing using a standard socket wrench. Once you've located the filter, with its removal using an oil filter wrench. After discarding the old filter, prepare to install the new one. However, before screwing it on, it's crucial to apply a thin layer of fresh oil to the new filter's gasket, which ensures a smooth installation process. Secure the drain plug back into its original spot, then proceed to take off the oil cap atop the engine. At this point, you need to add the suggested quantity of fresh oil through a funnel. Bear in mind, some contemporary cars do not have a dipstick to check the oil level. In such cases, you would have to rely on the onboard computer to verify the oil level. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes. Then, turn it off and check the oil level. For equipped with a dipstick, you can use that to gauge the oil level. Add more oil if necessary. For those without a traditional dipstick, you can check the oil level the onboard computer following the instructions as mentioned in your car's manual. Regardless of the method, ensure the correct level. Check for leaks around the drain plug and oil filter. Congratulations! You've just changed your car's oil and filter. Remember to dispose of the old oil appropriately.